Who do we have here today?
Trevor.
And
Larry.
what are we doing?
Skydiving
with strangers today. You trust me to throw you out even though we just met?
Oh yeah.
Trust Travis to throw you out? You haven't even met him yet.
No.
Whose idea was this?
Join, I guess.
Yeah, mutual decision?
Yeah.
Okay. Celebrating anything?
Nope.
Just checking it off the list.
Oh yeah.
Last words, final comments, or confessions before we go?
Nope.
Nothing. For me, it's always the same. Computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. Wife can have everything else. Let's go rock and skydive, have some fun. High five. High five. Here we go, boys. Yeah. All right. You ready to get in, get up, get out, go have some fun, boys? Let's go rock and skydive. Oh yeah. Do it. Woo. About to get better, pull the right one down. Yeah, look at that camera, smile.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah. All the way down. Yeah. Either direction, give us another one. Yeah. Get him, get him, get him! Oh, we almost got him. All right, we made it back.
We did.
You have fun?
I did.
You're gonna do that again?
Probably.
Next time I'll let you open the parachute.
All right.
Yeah?
I'm down.
What was your favorite part?
The first initial drop.
That flip?
Yeah.
You did great, bro. Come back, see us again, Skydive, Colorado Springs. Woo!